In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light or the stop light bulb on your Hyundai Accent hatchback. To open up the hatch, now we got to take off the 4 screws that hold the tail light in place. For the first 3 screws, we can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench. I would just use a screwdriver to keep things easy and simple. Let's take off all the 4 screws. You can use the same screwdriver for all the 4 screws. Now, you see that black tab over there? It may not come off right away, and if it does not, all you gotta do is just get a flathead screwdriver and pry it off. It should come off easily. Now, we can just wiggle the tail light a little bit. Alright, get it loose. And now there are 2 pins on the side there that are holding it in place. So grab the tail light just like that and pull it out straight, and it will come right off. It may take a few seconds, but take your time. Now you see those 2 pins there? They go in those 2 plugs over there in the body. So that's why we have to just pull it out straight. Now, first thing we got to do is undo that wire over there from that clip. So now we have some space to move it around. Now, the stop light bulb is right there. So just grab that bulb holder, twist it left, and the bulb holder should just come right out of the tail light. The way to get the bulb out of the holder is just press it down and twist it left. Down, left, out. Simple. So you see this bulb's got 2 filaments in it. It acts as a stop light bulb, but it also acts as a tail light bulb. Press it down, twist it right, and done. Now let's put the holder back in the tail light. And if you just try to randomly put it in there like that, you're gonna have some trouble. So the right way to do it, and the easy way to do it, is you see that big tab over there on the bulb holder? Yeah, that right there. Align it with that big slot in the tail light. And when you do that, it sits in easy and flush. Like that, and then just twist it right. Done. Time to put the tail light back in its place. So first off, we're gonna align those 2 pins with the plugs over there. Put that in like that, and then give it some push. Alright. Clicked. Done. Now let's put those 4 screws back in its place, and let's tighten them. Now when you tighten the screws, you don't have to go crazy tight. Just tighten them, hand tighten them, but don't go like crazy tight with it. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Now let's close the hatch and test it out. That looks good.